The question says during the oxidation of arsenite to arsenate ion in alkaline medium, okay, reaction is taking place in basic medium. The number of moles of hydroxide ion, that's why it is asking about the hydroxide ion, okay, involved per mole of arsenite ion are. First of all, we write down the chemical reaction, okay, and we balance it in basic medium. Very interesting. We have arsenite chemical formula ASO3 2 power 3 minus is there. Other side it is undergoing oxidation reaction, and chemical formula for the arsenate is ASO4 2 power 3 minus is there. Okay, increase in oxidation number is oxidation. Yeah, increase in the number of atom of oxygen is also oxidation. Okay, we can calculate the oxidation numbers. 3 2 is 6 minus 3 is there, it is present in plus 3 oxidation numbers. Okay, 4 2 is 8 minus 3 is there, it is present in plus 5 oxidation numbers. Okay, you can see increase in oxidation number is always oxidation. Plus 3 to plus 5 increase in oxidation number, it is undergoing what? Oxidation reaction. Okay, balance the charge. Plus 3, other side plus 5, oxidation is there. Find the difference in oxidation number. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 electron. Since it is oxidation, in oxidation we always add electrons on the right side of the equation. Okay, charge is balanced. Okay, now we balance this equation in a basic medium. Okay, pay attention very carefully. Balance the number of oxygen. How many oxygen are there? 3 oxygen. This side how many oxygen are there? 4 oxygen. Okay, the side we have in balancing the equation in basic medium, the side we have more number of oxygen, that side we attach water molecule equal to the number of oxygen. See, extra oxygen, 3 oxygen this side. How many extra oxygen are there? 1 oxygen, because 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 oxygen is extra. Okay, so 1 water molecule I attach here, 1 water molecule. Okay, and how many hydrogen are there? 2 hydrogen. Then I attach 2 hydroxide ion this side. Equation is balance. Equation is balance. Okay, because number of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, and each hydroxide ion is having only 1 hydrogen. That's why I attach 2 hydroxide ion. Very interesting. Okay, equation is balanced in alkaline medium, in a sense basic medium. Okay, it says number of moles of hydroxide ion involved per mole of arsenite ion. Arsenite ion is what? This is what arsenite ion. 1 mole of arsenite ion is reacting with what? 2 moles of hydroxide ion. Okay, so answer is what? Where is the 2? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. So first of all, you have to write down the equation balanced in acidic medium, then we can answer this question.